The journey of world-class cakes begins in vast wheat fields, where premium grain is harvested at perfect ripeness.
Modern combine harvesters efficiently gather the wheat that will become the finest cake flour.
Precision blades separate grain from straw in one continuous motion.
Inside, advanced threshing systems cleanly separate premium kernels. Grain transfers seamlessly to carts without stopping the harvest. High-capacity trucks collect millions of kernels destined for milling. Expert farmers ensure only top-grade wheat continues the journey. Coordinated fleets maximize efficiency during the narrow harvest window. Tons of freshly harvested wheat now travel to state-of-the-art milling facilities. Carefully coordinated transport preserves grain quality for flour production. At the mill, wheat is stored under controlled conditions before processing.
Modern pneumatic systems move grain rapidly and gently.
Thorough cleaning ensures only pure kernels reach the mills. Precision roller mills transform wheat into the premium flour essential for delicate cakes.
Ultrafine cake flour now begins its journey to the state-of-the-art bakery facility.
Bulk tankers deliver ultra-fine cake flour directly to massive industrial bakeries. Precision docking ensures contamination-free transfer. High-volume pneumatic systems move tons of flour gently and rapidly. Climate-controlled silos preserve ingredient freshness for months.
Refined sugar arrives in crystalline form for perfect sweetness control.
Pasteurized liquid eggs provide consistent binding and richness.
Precision minor ingredients complete the recipe formulation.
Coordinated receiving maintains just-in-time inventory.
Hygienic protocols begin at every entry point. Automated storage feeds directly into production dosing.
Precise computerized dosing ensures recipe consistency. All ingredients now converge for the critical mixing stage. State-of-the-art facilities transform raw ingredients into millions of premium cakes annually. Multi-layer hygiene zones prevent any contamination. Mandatory hand hygiene sets the standard for food safety. Full PPE ensures pristine conditions throughout.
Air showers maintain ultra-clean environments.
Inside, automated systems operate with precision efficiency. Centralized control orchestrates every production parameter.
Climate-controlled storage preserves flavor compounds.
Manual stations complement bulk systems for flexibility.
Multi-stage sifting guarantees silky texture. Temperature-controlled liquids ensure emulsion stability. Sanitary pipelines deliver ingredients without exposure.
Here the transformation truly begins.
Human oversight complements automation at critical points.
Perfect ratios create the foundation for tender cakes. Multiple safety checks protect product integrity. Consistent crystal size prevents texture issues. Gentle pasteurization preserves functionality while ensuring safety. Crystal clear oils prevent off flavors. Microdosing achieves perfect chemical reactions. Real-time quality checks maintain standards. Buffered supply enables continuous production. High-capacity bowls handle tons per hour. Careful liquid addition creates stable emulsion.
Full incorporation sets stage for volume development.
Precise density ensures perfect cake rise.
Gentle pumping preserves incorporated air. Continuous batter supply feeds high-speed lines.
Even distribution promotes uniform baking.
Multi-zone tunnels precisely control baking profile. Initial heat sets structure rapidly. Controlled humidity develops tender texture. Precise timing yields consistent quality.
Immediate checks catch any variations.
Rapid surface cooling prevents sogginess. Gradual cooling preserves moisture. Perfect cooling enables clean release. Automated depanning maintains shape integrity. Closed-loop pan circulation maximizes efficiency. Precision slicing creates bases for multi-layer masterpieces.
Automated handling prevents damage to delicate crumb.
Millimeter accuracy creates symmetrical towers.
Up to 5 layers for signature height.
Quick chilling. Quick chilling stabilizes structure.
Curtain coating achieves flawless exterior. Artisanal finish at industrial speed.
Programmable decorators replicate master designs.
Premium chocolate elevates luxury appeal.
personalization options for special occasions.
From simple batter to million-dollar masterpieces, advanced robotics handle delicate products flawlessly. AI vision systems catch microscopic flaws. Precise weight ensures portion consistency. Multiple detection layers guarantee safety.
Cutting-edge imaging protects consumers.
Traceability coded on every unit. Custom boxes protect delicate decoration. Inserts prevent shifting during transport. Secure closure for retail display. Branding completes the luxury presentation. Retail-ready packaging simplifies distribution. Buffered supply matches palletizing speed. Optimized patterns maximize truckloads. Automated wrapping prevents shifting.
Hand finishing elevates top-tier products.
Real fruit adds premium freshness.
Textural contrast delights the palate.
High gloss finish signifies luxury.
Natural beauty enhances visual appeal.
Maximum protection for transport.
Elegant finishing touch.
Branding reflects million-dollar quality.
Visual assets showcase craftsmanship. Special handling for high-value products. Strict temperature control preserves freshness. Objective texture data validates tenderness. Perfect moisture prevents dryness or sogginess.
Consistent appearance across batches.
Dale swabbing verifies hygiene.
Rigorous allergen controls protect consumers.
Human senses provide the final validation.
Predictive testing ensures retail freshness. Only perfect batches proceed. Continuous vigilance maintains standards. Seamless transition to dispatch.
Organized storage enables rapid fulfillment.
FIFO system ensures optimal freshness. Digital orders drive precise picking. Cold chain maintained throughout delivery. Real-time monitoring protects quality.
Premium cakes begin journey to customers.
In the $99 billion recycling industry, it all begins with collecting retired trucks. Each truck tells a story of miles traveled, now ready for rebirth.
Precise documentation ensures efficient processing in this massive cycle.
Heavy machinery kickstarts the harvest of valuable materials.
The engine's seized, but the transmission looks good. We can definitely pull the alternator.
Skilled teams evaluate which parts hold value before disassembly.
From highways to scrapyards, trucks embark on their final journey.
Safety first. Removing hazards protects workers and environment.
Batteries are harvested for lead and acid recovery. Tires, a key harvest, will be repurposed into new products. Automated systems begin sorting the bounty.
Cabs yield electronics and interiors for reuse.
Market for parts! Get the crane over here!
Precision handling extracts core components. Engines, the heart of trucks, are prime for refurbishing. Valuable parts are stockpiled for the next phase.
Hey, lower it easy. Watch the clearance. With harvest complete, raw materials head to transformation. All right, drivers, let's roll. Keep it tight through the gate. Watch your clearance.
Across vast distances, raw materials converge on massive processing plants. At the heart of the industry lie facilities engineered for transformation. Precision coordination ensures safe transfer of heavy loads. Frames accumulate, awaiting the next stage of rebirth.
Engines follow a dedicated path for specialized handling.
Streamlined logistics feed the factory's hunger for material.
Every ton is measured in this billion-dollar flow.
Hazardous components receive careful segregated transport. Tires join the stream, bound for rubber reclamation.
Bay 4 is open. Bring the flatbed in now. Human oversight orchestrates the complex influx.
The journey ends as transformation begins within these walls.
Inside, the scale of operations becomes clear. Final preparations set the stage for processing. Transported from yards nationwide, materials await their renewal. This sprawling facility stands at the core of the $99 billion truck recycling industry. Dedicated teams bring expertise to every stage. Safety protocols guard this high-precision environment. Beyond these doors lies the heart of transformation.
A meticulously planned flow maximizes efficiency and recovery.
Rail complements road transport for bulk volumes.
Advanced systems oversee the entire operation.
Logistics extend to the workforce itself. Sustainability integrates at every level. The cycle prepares to output renewed resources. Compliance ensures protection in this demanding environment. The journey inside mirrors the material's path. Ambitious targets drive innovation here. From raw arrival to refined output, scale defines success. The transformation truly begins with thorough cleaning. High-pressure washing removes years of road grime. Complete coverage ensures contaminant-free material. Drying prepares frames for precise cutting. Human touch, complements automation. No surface is overlooked in this thorough process. Chemical baths dissolve remaining oils and paints. Balanced chemistry protects the metal integrity. Quality gates maintain high standards early. Technology verifies what eyes might miss. Early sorting optimizes downstream recovery. Every drop is captured for proper disposal. Forced air ensures no moisture remains.
Clear on this side.
Same here.
Final human assurance before cutting.
Cleaned and sorted, frames are now ready for size reduction.
The core processing stage breaks down giants into manageable pieces.
Powerful shear segment frames for efficient handling. Smaller pieces enable higher throughput. Early separation maximizes metal purity. The heart of breakdown awaits. Brutal force reduces tons to fragments in seconds. Raw shred emerges ready for refinement. Temperature control protects downstream equipment. Iron and steel are isolated with precision. High-grade steel accumulates for melting. Advanced sensors recover valuable alloys. Even small components yield profit.
Purity climbs with each removal.
Consistent sizing optimizes furnace charge. Core processing turns scrap into pure feedstock. Clean shred becomes the raw material for new steel.
Immense energy melts steel in minutes.
Liquid steel flows, ready for alloying.
Precise adjustments recreate truck-grade steel. Continuous casting shapes the renewed metal. Controlled cooling prevents defects. Even byproducts find valuable reuse. Environmental systems maintain clean operations. Recipe control and ensures quality matches original. High volume demands parallel production. Real-time chemistry guides every heat. Quality never pauses. Temperature equalization prepares for shaping. Hot rolling forms beams and plates for new frames. Precision rolling recreates structural components. Automation enhances safety in extreme heat zones. Robots deliver consistency humans cannot match. Cutting-edge detection recovers more value. Driverless logistics optimize flow. Robots handle the heaviest tasks tirelessly. Precision skimming improves purity.
Centralized control fine-tunes every pass.
Orderly storage awaits finishing.
Artificial intelligence guards quality 24/7. Preservation begins immediately. Technology elevates recycling to manufacturing precision. Final shaping ensures structural integrity.
Custom components emerge from recycled stock.
Surface preparation readies for coating. Corrosion protection applied uniformly. Controlled curing locks in durability. Precision fabrication matches new truck designs. Automated welding builds subframes. Zero tolerance for deviation. Packaging preserves quality until use. Full traceability proves sustainable sourcing.
Human oversight complements automation.
Organized finishing maximizes throughput.
Perfection in every detail.
Precision finishing transforms recycled metal into new truck parts. Chemistry confirms precise recycling control. Non-destructive testing ensures safety. Micron-level precision required. Coating quality protects longevity. Material toughness verified. Deep inspection guarantees strength. Long-term protection proven.
Paper Trail certifies sustainability claims.
Continuous improvement drives excellence.
Last human eyes confirm perfection.
Certification adds market value. Near perfect quality reflects decades of refinement. Science backs the promise of reborn trucks.
Approved components prepare for customer delivery.
Efficient packing protects during transport.
Secure wrapping ensures safe handling.
Smart tags enable real-time inventory. Organized storage awaits orders.
Millions in inventory, ready for new trucks.
Just-in-time delivery to manufacturers.
Final checks before dispatch.
Recycled parts head to assembly plants. The cycle completes with delivery.
Digital management optimizes flow.
Details prevent damage.
Nothing leaves without verification.
Transparency reaches the customer.
In the heart of industrial rebirth, an 80-year-old excavator begins its journey to renewal.
Expert eyes assess decades of service etched into steel. The foundation of mobility, tested for revival. lifting the giant, revealing hidden secrets beneath. The heart of the beast, pulsing with potential. Purging the old to make way for the new. Safety first in handling the remnants of power. Armed with precision, the transformation begins. Severing the old bonds, piece by piece. Removing the command center, exposing the core. The veins of strength, carefully unraveled. Detaching the reach of the machine.
Laying down the arm, ready for renewal.
The scooping end, worn from Earth's embrace. Moving components to their next phase.
Bound for the facility where rebirth awaits.
Journeying from past to future. Miles of anticipation for transformation.
Arriving at the hub of industrial renewal.
Unloading the relics of heavy duty. Empty vessel departs. Mission accomplished. Secure entry to the world of precision. Navigating the maze to sorting. Logging the legacy for traceability. Heavy lifts within controlled spaces. Overhead guidance to the next stage. Approaching the core of operations. Cycles continue in this industrial symphony. Gateway to modern machinery revival. A fortress of steel and innovation.
Proudly standing for sustainable manufacturing. Dedicated teams ready for the day.
Welcoming the architects of renewal. Ascending to oversee the process. Bird's eye on the symphony of remanufacture.
Hello.
Hey, good morning.
Ground zero for transformation.
Prioritizing safety in every step.
Entering the cleanse of history.
Constant flow from world to workshop.
Guarding against unseen risks.
Automated welcome to processing.
The grand stage, set for revival.
Prepared hands for meticulous work.
Blasting away years of accumulated grime.
Drying to reveal the true condition.
Eyes sharp for hidden flaws. Separating elements for specialized paths.
Stripping flexible from rigid.
Salvaging the brains of the operation.
Magnetic selection of sturdy steel. Currents dividing valuable alloys. Breaking down for easier handling. Compacting chaos into order.
Advancing to deeper deconstruction.
All yours. Thanks. See you later.
Seamless continuation of the flow.
Sorted and ready for core revival. Core processing, where the real strip down begins. Unfastening the skeleton. Dividing the whole into manageable parts. Extracting the power pistons. Removing worn guardians of motion. Delving into the power source.
Ungearing the drive.
Stripping the nervous system. Probing for structural secrets.
Mapping the mends needed. Right.
Organizing the minutiae.
Clearing the workspace.
Reset for the next cycle.
Heading to the heart of change.
Core stripped, ready for rebuild. Main transformation, forging anew from old.
Mending fractures with fire. Smoothing the scars of time. Precision reshaping for fit. Installing fresh joints of motion. Sealing in the future performance. Rebuilding the muscles of might. reviving the powerhouse. Reconnecting the drive chain.
Rewiring the control network.
Priming for protection.
Uniting the transformed parts.
From old to new, the main metamorphosis.
High-tech systems for precision enhancement. Digital eyes ensuring perfection. Mechanical precision in fastening. Infusing the lifeblood. Testing the veins under stress.
Verifying the neural pathways.
Updating the brain with modern code.
Confirming brand integrity. Igniting the renewed heart. Breathing clean in compliance. Sensing the balance. Adding the final luster.
High-tech polish complete.
Precision lines for ultimate refinement. Calibrating the arm's extension.
Testing the pivot of power.
Ensuring grounded stability. Restoring the operator's throne. Fine-tuning the human-machine interface.
Safeguarding the future use.
Labeling for compliance.
The last touch of gleam.
Precision perfected. Equipping for the field.
Recording the rebirth.
Heading to rigorous scrutiny.
Passing the baton to quality guardians.
Quality control. Eyes on every detail. Gauging the revived power. Ensuring environmental compliance. Proving strength under burden.
Validating the electrical soul.
Testing the digital directives.
Confirming material resilience.
Documenting proven quality.
Last cleanse before dispatch.
Sealing the approval.
Cleared for the final stages.
These results are excellent.
Collective nod to excellence.
Towards protection and shipment. Good. Hey. Enveloping in protective layers.
Boxing for safe travel.
Tagging for destination.
Stacking for efficiency.
Securing the bundle.
Storing until cold.
Digital record of readiness.
Planning the outward journey. Preparing for departure. The reborn machine, palletized and pristine.
Awaiting the call to service.
Embarking on new adventures. Sealed for delivery.
And this is how modern factories recycle an 80-year-old excavator into a new one from start to finish.
It all begins in sustainably managed forests, where softwood and hardwood trees are carefully selected.
Specialized machines remove branches, preparing trunks for transport.
Logs are organized and forwarded to collection points.
Trucks transport the raw timber to pulping facilities. The journey from forest to factory ensures fresh supply of virgin pulp material.
At the mill, logs are debarked and chipped into uniform pieces. Bark is removed to reveal clean wood ready for chipping. Wood is reduced to chips, increasing surface area for pulping.
Chips are stored before the chemical pulping stage.
Only ideal chips proceed to cooking.
Chips enter the digester, where chemicals break down lignin.
Heat and chemicals separate fibers, creating raw pulp.
Pulp is thoroughly washed to remove cooking residues.
Environmentally safe bleaching achieves the desired brightness.
The refined stock is now prepared for tissue formation.
Jumbo reels from the pulp mill Arrive at the tissue converting facility.
Reels are stored briefly before entering the production line.
Precise handling ensures reels reach the converting machines undamaged. Multiple parent reels feed the high-speed lines simultaneously. Continuous transport keeps the factory supplied around the clock.
Incoming quality checks prevent defects downstream.
High-volume factories run multiple converting lines.
Safety protocols protect workers during handling. With transport complete, conversion into toilet rolls begins.
The converting facility transforms jumbo reels into everyday bathroom tissue.
Hundreds of workers arrive for the morning shift.
Positive air pressure keeps the interior contaminant-free.
Inside, advanced lines run 24 hours a day.
Safety is the top priority in every zone. Clear pathways separate people from moving equipment.
We had a level 3 alert on sector Gamma 12. Watch the power levels.
Understood. I'm initiating the speed increase sequence now.
Multiple lines produce different grades simultaneously.
Powerful filtration keeps air quality high.
Preparedness is built into every corner.
Control, this is Operator 2. We have full synchronization across all feeds.
Centralized oversight coordinates the entire floor.
Fresh reels feed directly into production.
The conversion process is ready to begin.
Each reel is inspected and cleaned before use. Zero-speed splicing enables non-stop operation.
Multiple cleaning stages ensure purity.
Contaminants are detected and rejected automatically. Precise width control prepares for embossing.
Consistent tension prevents tears at high speed.
Real-time monitoring maintains hygienic conditions.
Optical guides ensure pattern registration. Air knives remove last particles before patterning. Cores are prepared in parallel.
Initial stages complete, ready for transformation.
Embossing creates texture and strength.
Microscopic patterns enhance absorbency and feel.
Ply bonding creates premium softness without glue. Controlled winding builds uniform logs. Sensors monitor density and firmness.
Secure tail prevents unwinding. Accumulator buffers for continuous flow. Food-grade adhesives ensure safety. Hygiene maintained between cycles.
Skilled operators fine-tune performance.
Core processing complete, ready for individual rolls. High-precision saws cut logs into retail-size rolls.
Multiple blades create dozens of rolls per second.
Gentle handling preserves embossing. Automated quality gates remove imperfections. Precise counts for packaging accuracy. Flexible grouping for different products.
Internal checks ensure structural integrity.
Final dust removal before packaging.
Peak efficiency at full production speed. Nothing is wasted in modern plants.
Traceability printed in real time. RFID and barcodes enable tracking.
AGVs move products without forklifts.
Robotic palletizing optimizes stability. Secure wrapping protects during shipping. Industry 4.0 systems maximize efficiency. Dedicated lines produce premium grades.
Added moisturizers enhance skin feel.
Advanced patterns mimic handmade quality. Final calendaring refines texture.
Same factory produces commercial sizes.
Sustainable options run alongside standard. Innovation tested before full production. The tensile strength on this new composite is exceeding projections. Variety meets market demands. Rigorous testing ensures every batch meets standards. Absorbency measured scientifically. Wet and dry strength verified.
Human sensory testing complements machines.
Microbiological safety confirmed.
Grammage precisely controlled. Optical properties quantified.
Easy tear performance validated.
Packaging protects product.
Traceability verified.
Long-term records maintained.
Climate-controlled storage preserves quality. Real-time inventory tracking.
Orders assembled precisely.
Trucks prepared for loading. Efficient loading maximizes space. Safety during transit ensured. Tamper-evident protection.
In a forgotten garage, a legendary 1985 Countach emerges from decades of neglect. Layers of time reveal the iconic lines of this forgotten supercar.
The signature scissor doors still function, guarding a worn interior.
The cabin tells a story of abandonment, awaiting revival.
Beneath the rear hood, the mighty V12 slumbers under years of neglect.
The underbody shows rust, but the tubular frame remains solid.
Angular perfection dulled by time, yet unmistakably a Countach.
Carefully secured, the journey to restoration begins.
Transported with care to the specialized restoration workshop.
From hidden storage to expert hands.
Arriving at the facility where legends are reborn. Under professional lights, the true condition is revealed.
Every detail documented before disassembly begins.
Experts evaluate the path to perfection.
A meticulous plan forms to bring this 1985 Countach back to glory. Elevated for full access, the restoration truly begins. A complete view guides the disassembly sequence. The heart of the beast prepared for removal. The legendary V12 emerges after years of stillness. First stop, thorough cleaning of decades of grime. The tubular frame stands alone, ready for deep cleaning. Years of road grime washed away layer by layer. Iconic wheels detached for individual restoration. The lightweight body assessed for structural integrity. Signature doors removed to access every corner.
The worn interior stripped to bare metal and fiberglass.
Every wire documented for perfect reassembly. Old fuel system components safely extracted. Suspension fully disassembled for rebuilding.
Stripped to its essence, ready for the next critical phase.
Entering the blasting chamber to remove all rust and old paint.
Gentle yet effective media strips decades of corrosion.
Every tube and bracket returned to raw steel. Sealed with protective epoxy before final color. The body enters the paint chamber for color revival.
The iconic red returns, deeper and richer than before.
Layers of clear build the legendary Countach Shine.
Heat locks in the flawless finish.
Mirror-like perfection achieved.
Iconic wheels restored to factory gold brilliance.
The V12 block reborn, clean and ready.
Precision machining restores factory specifications.
Cylinders resized with micron accuracy. The heart ballast to spin freely at redline.
The V12 painstakingly rebuilt component by component.
Heads restored for perfect sealing.
Timing set for Symphony at high revs.
The breathing system restored to original tune.
A deeper note prepared for the V12.
Suspension refreshed for razor-sharp handling. Braking power restored to match the speed. Fuel delivery perfected for reliability. Electrical system renewed while preserving originality. The cockpit prepared for luxurious rebirth.
Instruments calibrated and crystal clear.
Visibility and weatherproofing renewed. Gaps and lines perfected before permanent mounting. The iconic shape returns in flawless red. Signature doors operating smoother than new.
Every connection made with precision.
Cooling prepared for high-performance duty.
Power transfer restored smoothly.
Bringing the Countach back to life electrically.
After decades, the V12 roars once more.
The 12 cylinders breathing in perfect harmony. Gripping the road with period-correct rubber.
The Countach stands on its own again.
Pedal feel restored to factory firmness. Geometry set for perfect handling. The cabin transformed into luxury once more. Driver environment reborn in Italian elegance.
All instruments in their rightful places.
Every surface covered in premium materials.
The piercing gaze returns.
Aerodynamic drama completed.
Achieving concourse level shine.
The mechanical jewel on full display.
Perfection beneath as well as above.
An interior that smells and feels brand new.
Ready for extended road testing. The X-Caddy?
Time to experience the rebirth on the road.
Minor tweaks ensure flawless operation.
Welcome to the calibration sequence. We begin the documentation of this restored sound system.
Immortalizing the transformation.
The moment of revelation approaches.
From total disrepair to breathtaking perfection.
Power curve optimized on the dyno. Right.
Precision beyond factory tolerances.
Paint depth uniform and conquer ready.
We spent weeks just on the paint correction. It's flawless now.
It's absolutely stunning. The engine bay looks factory new.
The finishing touch on iconic wheels.
Paint preserved pristine until delivery.
Prepared for its new chapter.
Return to the road in better than new condition.
A legend, fully restored and alive again.
The full story preserved forever. From forgotten barn find to masterpiece.
A journey of dedication and skill.
Preserving automotive history, one icon at a time. Ready for the next adventure.